easy after mo area ho no mo ya declare say security zone, mo premises, mo office, cameras e boho no ni nyina ya hu de wafa machines no. And we still have a problem with our electoral commission any the way our ye ni niema. Are we serious as a nation after 32 years? We ba ko no. Mame ensan twu hadwene ma ade bia ba so maka cho say election enye 7 December na ekoto aba no kwa ena esa da ye to aba no. It started when EC ba bontin say or conduct limited registration exercise. Per our constitution, in our democracy we have universal adult suffrage. Nipa bia wadi mfie du nwotwe emra no hu ni say wo ye panyini na emra no ma eka sese na adwene mu da ho na yare bia ha no ne enim say bibia ha na otimi to aba ma ne yeye entimra no esesa nipa no yemma no kwa no register na wontimi to aba say wo ye panyini. And nay after 32 years electoral commission da so emye bo apata ema nipa kotra no say de wadi 18 no omra me register. De wadi 18 no ya bo apata ahye da bi se saada no nipa no emra me register enti se saada no twam na se nipa no onyanya 18 a anaso obenya 18 wo bosumi edi nanim na enyandro ma o se ada so be force akwa register so wadi 18 na mi bisa se so man ye pese ekoye nim a edi e pa na si ho kwan se dad nyina nipa edi 18 years enti adan na yisi emie ne dan to onka se wadi 18 bia no bra ne be register enti ene se kumani na adi 18 a ene okwa yisi a register ne de ne card ama no ade chen akoso na adi 18 a okwa ye de ne de ama no na otwemienu ana abosome ntem ena me na madi 18 a me so me kwa me office one ma ya register me enti die enti ena afa ne ye bebo apata ohun de si wadi dwama no me bisa say kosi da ben no man ye beko anim ubetie and political parties na make no especially me boy NDC NPP mudin because this fourth republic when am reigning 32 years are yet obi at 16 years and the troubles we are finding in our electoral process mumbi enu na mukoso yen. So this is directed to you muntie ni ye na say wo any redress bia yenye no as soon as possible. Yeah limited registration no enye ma na ekoso ni bi ne incident American say so man yentimi nka say a free election ase free enimu kosi akire ya to aba bia ya record hwe ubenya ba bi na NDC for boy NPP subo say obakofa nkoda omunya mfedu nwotwe aba ba register sasem kura na NPP nso boy NDC for subo say omonso akofa nkrofo omunya mfedu nwotwe ba register. Electoral Commission we are the greatest stakeholder in this. Why can't you find a way to resolve this? After 32 years, we still go back and forth. Ni abuapata edujama NDC for akofa ma NPP for akofa ma ye bru ye ho wa bra omo bru omo no omu nyina omo di 18 obi a wadi 18 no be register no ene NDC NPP mo asem na ye bru ye ho me bisa say are we ready to grow as a nation? Ye pese ekoye nim ane nti limited registration exercise na NDC NPP ko ho na mo mienu pa mo pese mo kire say that is what I'm saying. This is directed to you. 32 years 16 years for each party. Mo da so ko basin people ho say obi adi 18 obi ni 18 and our electoral commission is not able to also help us say this is the process them dia to oni be solve bibia e da so ko limited registration ho et said the near 96 et said the 2000 et said the 2004. Are we ready to grow as a nation?